Hello everyone! Start off by drawing this V-like shape and then continue to connect it to the circle in the middle. Curve all of the ends so now it looks like flower petals. Make one of the ends longer than the others. Now use an eraser and then rub off the pencil marks you had created. Make small curves around the gaps as well. Add a stem and leaves. Now draw 6 circles on a sheet and then continue to draw on each of them. In the first circle, make swirls inside the circle and then draw the body of a snail. Add the eyes as well. Now for the second one, we will be making a fish. Start off by drawing multiple fins, draw the eyes and then the lips of the fish. As for the third one, we'll be making a tortoise out of it. Draw on a little hexagonal shape inside and then connect each of the edges to the edges of the circle, or rather to any part of the circle. Then draw on the legs and the tail of the tortoise and the head. Next for the fourth one, we will be drawing a little ladybug. Add on the legs as well as the circles to the body. For the fifth one, we'll be drawing a bee. Don't forget to add the sting. Now last, we'll be making a mouse. Now start off by drawing this ice cream like shape on a piece of paper that has been folded. Then draw eyes on the upper half and then draw little shapes at the top. This will be small little insects. Color it in. Now, add a little shape in the piece of paper that is the shape of a mug. On the top of a mug, add a cylindrical shape to it and then draw small little bristles. This will make it look like a toothbrush. We will also add in the toothpaste as well. Draw it on as such, make a V shape under a small cylindrical shape. Then connect the bottom. Add a heart shape on it to decorate your mug. Then add a small little smiley face onto your toothpaste. Next, start off by drawing a house. Draw the roof of the house and then draw the bottom. Then line the roof of the house with multiple lines. Draw the windows, make a circular window as well as a square window. Add the door to the house and then add a chimney out of which smoke is coming out. Add a pathway to the house and then take an orange marker and then draw on the shapes of many trees around the house. Once you are done doing this all around, add the bark of the tree using another marker such as brown or black. Now continue to color the rest of the house. Starting off with the roof, we have chosen to use the color red. Make multiple lines right beside the other and don't do it all together in different directions so that it looks neat. Color in the rest of the drawing as well. Now start off by taking a yellowish marker and then make lines underneath and then make a tree out of it. Take different colored markers and continue with the same process. This will look like trees. Once you are done making all of your trees on the paper, take a black marker and begin to make the branches of these trees. Do this for all of them and then you may connect them all together in the bottom by adding a ground to it. Then at the top, add the shapes of small little birds to it. Now start off by making these semi-ovular shapes on a sheet of paper. Make 3 of them. For the first one, add 2 more ovular shapes at the top and then make eyes out of it. Add a very big wide smile to the main portion of the body and then on the side draw shape 2s and then add little legs to it. You have made a frog. Now coming to our second drawing, we will be making a crab. For this, start off by drawing the eyes. Then draw the legs to it, add a small little smile and then draw the claws. Next, lastly, this is what we will be making. For this, start off by adding circles on the body and then add antenna and a cute little smile. Draw the numbers from 1 to 8 on a piece of paper. Then out of the first number, make a little bicycle out of it. For number 2, make a metro train out of it. For number 3, make a sailboat out of it. And then, now for number 4, make a truck out of it. Starting with number 5, make a carrier truck out of it. Number 6 will be a helicopter as such. Now add the small little details to it. Number 7 will be the submarine. And then number 8 will be this rocket ship. For all of these things, add the smallest little details as you can see in the drawings. Thank you for watching.